It's me. Hi, it's Anita. And welcome back. And I am coming at you with a new pen video. New brand to me. Check out what I've got. Well, I have to give a shout out to Kristen at Life Inspires Design. I will link her YouTube channel below because this pen and this brand have both been heavily influenced by her. Yes, I saw her unboxing video and the color got me and the design. Honestly, I love pens that look like this. So pretty. I love color and interesting things to look at, but my default is kind of boring. I like just a good and interesting design, and I just like to see how things work. It's kind of my jam, but I love color, and I definitely have a type. And my type is teal. I will show y'all at the end when I compare this pen to some other pens. So, as I said, this brand is new to me. And I had my eye on it, but I didn't have any urgency. And it doesn't come up a whole lot in the fountain pen YouTube universe. But it was definitely on my radar. It's Franklin Christoph. Yeah. And I'm so excited. I am so excited. The pen of hers that I first saw, I think it was, I don't remember the model because they're all numbers and I'm good with numbers, but not with pens and numbers. Not in that context. But the color or finish or whatever you want to call it was antique glass. I love that. Like the old school Coke bottle, greenish tint. I love the way that looks. Oh, I love that. I love it. Anyway, I was like, wow, I need to find that. And then there were so many other pens that, I didn't make a list. I kind of have a list now, but it's just something to write, to be honest. Anyway, when I saw this one, I had to pull the trigger. Because it's just the color and the size too. I love it. I saw it and I had to. And this pen is a collab between Franklin Christoph and Vannesss in Arkansas. And I love getting my ink samples and inks in general from them. And when I saw that this was a collab pen, and I know how those go, it'll be around as long as it's around. I don't know how long that's going to be. And in a world of uncertainty, I needed to be certain I got my hands on this pen. So I did it. And I have never bought a pen so fast in my life. It cracks me up. Anyway, it is Franklin Christoph Model 2. And I've got this with a medium nib. I'm so excited. I am so stinking excited. Oh, let's go. Look at this. I just adore the simplicity of it. I like the way it feels. The pen can be posted. Kristen has an awesome video. And I'm sure she will get more technical in 5 minutes than I ever will in this video here. Look how deeply that posts. Oh my gosh. It's like I was born to be posted. It's so beautiful. I'm so glad I got this. Totally an emotional purchase. Totally. Let me grab some other pens in my collection. I have got the big cheesy grin because I love the color. Oh my gosh, I love this pen. I will grab some other pens in my collection to compare this to so y'all can see how it compares to other pens. I got a medium nib. I think I said that. Let me show you. I've got a Leonardo Momento Zero Grande in Planetary Nebula. Look at that. Oh, They are very comparable. Pilot Custom 743 in verdigris. An Asvine V126 and transparent teal. Looks like somebody took their inspiration from Pilot. Anyway, couple more. A TWSBI Eco in Persian green. One more, since it's handy. An Esterbrook Esty in sea glass. Look at that. What a vibe. I love this. This makes me so happy. I'm so happy right now. Look at them. Look at the colors. I'm going to move these because these two silver ones can go together. Why not? Oh my gosh. Look at the colors. I love these colors. I am so happy right here. And I'm sure this is an amazing pen, or Kristen wouldn't have it, right? So she sold me on it, and Vannesss needs to pay her for that. I'm kidding, but I'm serious at the same time. Totally. I saw her video and I bought the pen just like that. And they got it to me so fast. I ordered it Friday night and the pen was in my hot little hands Monday morning. Yes. And I do not live in Arkansas, okay? I'm in Georgia. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, let's uncap the pens. I'm so happy right now. These are my colors. Pink, purple, teal, and turquoise. It's like jewel colors, right? I love them. But for pens, I love teals. Oopsie. Teals and turquoises first. And then purples. And then pink is a distant third in general. But oh yeah, teal, turquoise, and purple. Those make me happy. And I'm just dropping things left and right. Let's see real quick how many turns to uncap, because I just didn't pay attention. One full rotation. All right, that is nice. The pen that I have with the least rotations to uncap is a Pelican M205. I think that one took maybe half a turn to uncap. Very efficient. Very efficient. Anyway. I love this. I love these colors. I'm in pen heaven right here. Literal pen heaven with these colors. Okay. I got the sections lined up. I write with all these unposted, and I can definitely write with that posted, but it doesn't have to be. The shape, it's curvy. It's a curvy pen. It's narrower at the end than it is toward the middle, and then it narrows again through the section and flares out slightly at the base of the section. Very cool. It's very, like, in your hand friendly, you know? It's just to sit up in your hand. I can just tell, you know, it's just, that's so cool. I don't have another pen shaped like that. The others are much more traditional in shape. And yeah, the narrowest is probably the TWSBI, because the section's pretty narrow. The barrel is slightly narrower, but the section's narrower by far than all the others. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, okay, that's enough of that. I'm going to cap these again, and we're going to do a quick dip test. I don't know what ink I'm going to put in this pen. It's going in my lineup next month. I am afraid it's going to be one of those pens that hangs around and it's waiting for me to invite others to the family. I love this pen. I love this. I just love the simplicity of it. Like, this is somewhat frosted. The end finials are clear. It's so pretty. It's just so pretty. And there's a branded converter in here. It's just, oh, wow. I just love looking at it. And that easily comes out. You just push it in and you are off to the races. So pretty. I love this pen. I saw it and I was like, okay, she does her homework. I believe everything you said. I just bought a pen. Yes, thank you so much, Kristen, if you're listening or watching or whatever. I love it. Okay, let's move these babies out of the way. I love these. These are all in my currently inked for July because I just love this color. All right, move this. Let's adjust the lighting. The sun hanging out there, and we here on Earth making our way. I use a notepad I pick up at Walmart. It comes in a 2 or 3 pack, I forget, and it's Walmart, so it's not pricey. I think it's Pen and Gear. Yes, it's Pen and Gear brand. And what I look for when I'm looking for like alternatives to buying pricier papers like Rhodia or Tomoe River, I'm looking for something I could that will rewind. I'm looking for something manufactured in India because I have found that I have the best luck when I'm, say, at Walmart or the Dollar Tree. Those are the 2 main places when I pop in, I just take a look to find some inexpensive paper that can hold up to fountain pen ink. And I did a little heart doodle there, so that came through a bit. But the rest of my writing, as you can see, make sure you can see, it shadows a little bit, but that's no different than Tomoe River paper. So I really like when I can find inexpensive paper. I'm always on the lookout because that's how I roll. And I should do a video about it, what I've found so far, because I'm always on the hunt. But I've told y'all what I look for, so unless you're not worried about buying paper and you don't care if your paper pad costs, I don't know, 20 bucks as opposed to $2, then, you don't have to worry about it. But I worry about it because I want to write all the time. So if I can find something less expensive for my random scribbles, I'm going for it. That's just me. So dip this. I'm so excited. I love this color. This is like my total and complete happy place right here. This color is it. I love it. I didn't even rinse the pen. Oh well. Hopefully you're clean from the factory where you were made. Okay. I totally didn't even think about it. I'm on a roll. Okay, and this is, oh, this feels nice. And this feels good in the hand. Your fingers. I know other people who write like normaler, like that, will feel really good, I think, about this because it just fits your fingers so well. But I'm all up in here like a crazy person. And it fits my fingers really well too. It feels so good. Oh, I love it. And I like the size of this nib. It's a medium nib. Franklin Christoph Vanness. Number 2. I don't know if it has another name, because I don't know. I don't see it. I will include a link to this pen in the description. I love it. I'm so happy right now. So lovely. I could cry. Smooth. Little to 0 feedback. I think I'd read that they tune their nibs in-house. I don't remember if they manufacture them. I did a little reading. I'm so happy. Okay, and this is Waterman Inspired Blue. What a lovely, lovely pen. I love my Leonardo's, and I have one Visconti, and I know whenever the others come in life, I will love those too. But this has been really, really, really good. I love this pen. I love the color. I love the simplicity. I love the design of it. It's just lovely. I am so happy with this pen. Oh, the tiny clip. I love it. I'm so happy with it. That, you know what? I'm good. If I never bought another pen, I would feel sad that I'd miss all those other pens, but then I would come back to my happy colors and I would feel good again. Because I have all of these, and I may have more, I don't know. But I love these colors. These right here, this is my happy place. Oh, let's not forget SD. I love these colors. I would just put my family of colors together and I would feel good again. And I'll never have all the pens because that's just so impractical. But you know what? I have these and I am very thankful, and I consider myself lucky because I don't have to have any. And I have all of these, and then I have more. Thank you so much for listening to me ramble and for admiring this lovely pen with me. And I will link it down below so you can go read all about it. And have yourself an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye.